Hi kids! Welcome back to Moony's Science Lab. Today I have a really cool science experiment for us. Are you ready?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes!
Awesome! I'm so excited. Let's get into it. For this science experiment, you'll need a glass of water, some turmeric powder, a lime or a lemon, and some laundry detergent. Alrighty, first things first, we have to put some turmeric in the water. Next, we stir it. Notice how the color is yellow?
Wow!
All right, now we're gonna put some detergent into our turmeric and water mixture and see if anything happens to it. Let's see.
Wow!
Whoa! It's red! That's so cool! All right, let's see if we can neutralize it back to yellow. We're gonna take our lemon or our lime. Wow! It worked! That was so cool! Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.